बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। माय नेम इज़ मोहम्मद एजाज। आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ बीएससी हॉनर्स एग्री साइंसेज फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर फैसलाबाद सब कैंपस दीपालपुर उकाड़ा। टुडे आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट जनरल concept of plant diseases or plant pathology. Definition and concept. Disease. Disease, anything which is harmful to humans is known as disease, but according to Horsfall and Diamond 1959, disease may be defined as a malfunctioning process that is caused by continuous irritation by a pathogen and or environmental factor resulting in some suffering producing symptoms, disorder or physiological disorder. The disease caused by the deficiency of nutrients or unfavorable environment conditions is termed as disorder. Pathogen, an agent or factor that causes diseases. It is the agent responsible for initiating pathogen, ailment, or damage. Parasite. They are the organisms which derive the food material needed for their growth from other living organism or host. All the pathogens are parasites, but all the parasites are not pathogen. Remember this thing. All the pathogens are parasites, but all the parasites are not pathogens. के तमाम पैथोजेंस पैरासाइट हैं लेकिन सारे पैरासाइट्स पैथोजन नहीं होते. As some of the parasites live on their host without causing any damage to them as symbiotic relationship. For example, Rhizobium bacterium in legume roots, mycorrhizae and lichens. Biotrophs. They live on living host and obtain nutrients from living host cells. For example, powdery mildew. Biotrophs are the organisms which, regardless of the ease with which they can be cultivated on artificial media, obtain their food from living tissue only in nature, in which they complete their life cycle. They were earlier also called oblique parasites. For example, rust, must, powdery mildew. Saprophytes are sapros. For example, rice blasts that infect and kill host tissue and obtain nutrients from dead host cells. Saprophytes or saprobes are the organisms which derive their nutrition from the dead organic matter. Some parasites and saprophytes may have the faculty or ability to change their mode of nutrition. Facultative saprophytes, also known as hemibiotrophs, are ordinary parasites which can grow and reproduce on dead organic matter under certain circumstances. Necrotrophs, also known as perthrophs or perthophytes. Necrotrophs, when it kills the host tissue in advance of penetration and then lives saprophytically. For example, Sclerotium rolfesi and Phythium species. Facultative parasite, which live as saprophytically, but under favorable conditions they can attack living plant. Pathogenicity is the ability of a pathogen to cause disease under a given set of environmental conditions known as pathogenicity, whereas pathogenesis is the chain of events that lead to development of a disease in the host. Parasitism is a phenomena by which a plant parasite associated with the plant के plant parasite का plant के साथ relationship होना चाहिए. It draws nutrition and multiplies and grow at the expense of the plant host. वो प्लांट होस्ट से ही न्यूट्रिशन लेगा और वहाँ पर ही ग्रो करेगा और वहाँ पर ही अपनी रिप्रोडक्शन का अमल पूरा करेगा. विरोलेंस. Virulence is a measure or degree of pathogenicity. Degree of pathogenicity is known as virulence. Is a measure or degree of pathogenicity of an isolate or race of the pathogen. This term, like virulence, is used as measure of pathogenicity. The term aggressiveness is often used to describe the capacity of a pathogen to invade and grow in the host plant and to reproduce on or in it. Okay, immunity. Immunity of a plant against a disease is absolute quality. It denotes the freedom of plant from disease. When the pathogen cannot establish parasitic relationship with the host, high resistance and low susceptibility approach immunity. इम्यूनिटी तब आएगी जब हाई रेजिस्टेंस होगा और लो ससेप्टिबिलिटी होगी. Disease resistance. Disease resistance is the ability of an organism to overcome completely or in some degree the effect of a pathogen or other damaging factor. Disease resistance is the ability of an organism to overcome disease. While susceptibility is an inability of a plant to overcome pathogen. Hypersensitivity is the extreme degree of susceptibility in which there is a rapid death of the cell in the vicinity of the invading pathogens. Hypersensitivity is a sign of very high resistance approaching immunity. It has the further progress of the pathogen. Infection. Infection is the establishment of parasitic relationship between the pathogen and the host. Following entry or penetration. Incubation period. The time period between penetration and completion of infection. Development of the disease symptom is known as incubation period. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.